Levon, are you able to explain where is the problem? Probably you don't sleep well, or you miscalculate quite often. What's wrong?
Ну, не знаю, просто как-то неуверенно играю в цейтнотах или там близко к этому. В принципе, ну или когда пытаюсь в них не попадать, делаю одноходовые просмотры.
I don't know. I cannot play very well during the time troubles, or when I try to avoid them, I make blunders.
Да нет, да нет.
Did you have some bad feelings before the tournament? No, I didn't have. Okay, say something about the crucial moments during the game.
Okay, I was saying that White was probably slightly better in the middle game because, well, it's not clear how to make progress for White, but it seems that position is like, you know, some kind of, well, some grip in the center. There is a bishop on e4 standing well, and so the knight on b5 is always making troubles for black side, so with some knight c7, knight d6. But the problem is that sometimes I can take on b5 and play knight d4 in some cases, and also his king is due to g3 somehow, well, it's not so visible, but in general it's really weak. I mean, sometimes there is h4, h3 idea or some knight d4, and well, White has to keep an eye for black's counterplay also. But in general I think that, okay, White has control on the position, and okay, what was, I think bishop e3 was, okay, if it's really, I mean, what the complications are so good for black, but seems that after bishop e3 White's position is not that great. I think that they had to keep somehow with queen d1 or something like this, I don't know, moving pieces around and playing this position.
Поначалу я думаю, что после дебюта у белых немножко лучше, но дальше им надо было смотреть за эвентуальную контр-игру со стороны черных. И конечно, на ферзевом фланге есть там определенный нажим, но я могу взять на b5 и потом пойти конь d4, так что там у меня контр-игра связана, насколько я понял, после g3.
Да, со слабостью.
Ослабление там, да, после g3? Ага.
And well, okay, afterwards I think that after he played bishop e3, e4, position is very complicated, and okay, there is some tricks. I mean, after rook f4 there are probably moves like rook e8 also possible, but well, I don't know what happens after rook e8. This was also unclear move.
После слон e3, e4 позиция накалилась до предела, и я не знаю, что могло бы случиться после ладья e8.
Вместо конь бьет e3.
Вместо конь?
Бьет e3.
Instead of knight takes on b3.
And well, okay, I think that okay, some, I mean, from far I was calculating some bishop h6, but rook takes f5 here is possible, because otherwise rook takes e4, bishop takes e3, and then some queen g5. But okay, after knight takes e3, well, I don't know really what's I mean, what's the best from both sides, but okay, I think that White made many mistakes in a row. Okay, f takes e3, I don't know, maybe it's a good move, but after bishop h6, well, okay, here's White started to play badly. I think knight takes d6, bishop takes f4, g takes f4, queen h4. Well,
мне кажется, он сделал много ошибок тактического характера.
And okay, he went, I mean, he was playing in the Zeit note, and with 1 minute, you know, to keep this position with king on g1, it's kind of unpleasant.
Имея всего несколько секунд для нескольких ходов и с королем на g1, это очень было невозможно сохранить позицию.
And okay, I think that after Black plays g5, they are much better, but still White should not play f5, bishop takes f5, rook g3. Of course, it was also, how to say, I mean, not the precise defense and not stubborn defense.
И после моего хода g5 он снова ошибся и не нашел самую лучшую защиту.
probably there is some knight takes e4. Still, I mean, some chances. But what he went f5, bishop takes f5, knight rook g3, bishop h3. After this, I think that white's position is hopeless, and okay, I think that he understood it because already there is, you know, rook f1 coming all the time, and well, okay, I think that black is winning already at that point.
Вероятно, ему надо было играть конь берет на e4, да?
Yeah, instead of
пошел f5.
f5, yes.
Да, это я
Okay,
понял.
but I don't know if it's...
И там снова плохо.
Не, может быть, мне нужно e4 брать слоном.
Как конем?
Слоном на e4.
Когда вместо...
На g5.
Если же, то как?
Слон f3.
Там, да, должны быть закрыты. Там. Или ладья f6 может пойти, если не читать.
Слон e4, ладья f6, конь f5.
Ладья f5.
Да, такая тактика есть. Я разумею.
Ну, не знаю. Okay, I think that, okay, I mean, White played, okay, White was simply standing well, and okay, he made many mistakes in a row, and afterwards already I think that, well, okay, he just played badly today, and well, I mean, at this point in the side note, and so, okay, he lost.
Сначала, конечно, у него был перевес, потом он сделал много ошибок, потом и цейтнот с трудом прошел, и вот так получилось.